So you're planning to put your home on the market and wondering what is the best way to stage your home to sell? Well, I can help with that. Hi, I'm Johanne Sabia in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I'm here to tell you that staging your home or condo to sell is actually super easy. In this video, I'll mention some ideas that hopefully will help you as you get ready to prepare your home for the sale process and, of course, buyer showings. Okay, starting with the exterior of your home. If you're in a single-family house or townhome, you want to declutter. Walk around your yard and make sure you don't have stuff piled up everywhere. If you've replaced your roof at some point, you may have some extra roof tiles stacked against the house. That's okay because the buyer's going to want those. What I'm talking about is the junk that you've accumulated over the years. You want to remove all of that. Also move garbage cans out of sight if possible and make sure the hose is wound up. Things like that. Next, let's talk about landscaping. That should be neat. The grass cut, hedges, and trees trimmed back. We're going for an awesome curb appeal. If you have a pool, make sure it's clean from debris. The coping and tile above the water line is clean all around the pool, and the water is crystal clear. No green pools. Remember, the exterior front of your home is the first and last impression a buyer will have of your home. Making it a perfect impression will go a long way to getting back top dollar. I always advise my clients to take off the seller cap and put on a buyer's cap. Walk out to the curb, then walk back towards the house, but now pretend that you're the buyer. Look at everything through a buyer's eyes. All those weekend items that you said you were going to do but never got around to doing them, well, guess what? Now it's the time to do them. The more inviting that you can make your house feel, buyers will start to imagine themselves living there. How they feel about your home is crucial because buyers almost always buy on emotion. And it's not just with houses. Think about the last item that you bought. I bet it was an emotional purchase. So it's very important to make them feel comfortable in their future dream home. On the day of photography, be sure to move all cars out of the driveway and park them across the street away from in front of the house. We want a clear, amazing exterior shot and an aerial shot of your property from a drone. So showing off the whole area is important. Now for the interior, and this is also for condo and co-op sellers too. Same thing applies here, declutter. Put away and out of sight as much as you can. Use your garage if you have one, or a storage area if you're in a condo or co-op. Sometimes packing up and storing off-site for a few months is a solution too. Remember, less is always more. We want your home showing as roomy and spacious as possible. Clutter just makes it appear smaller. Do the dishes, laundry, make sure it's all put away. Wash windows, sliders, and bathroom mirrors. When we take pictures, and even with Photoshop, the streaks and smears on mirrors are often overemphasized, and it doesn't look good. It needs to be redone. Kitchen, clear off all counters and dining room table. Again, we want this space to look plentiful. A few small staging items like a plant or knickknack items from Home Goods is fine, but not too much. Take all the magnets and posters off the fridge. They don't look good in photos and buyers get distracted. You should store toys and loose items in bins and put them in closets. Make sure all the rooms are clean and tidy. Again, we want the buyer to feel comfortable and imagine themselves living there. Bathrooms, clear all counters, and shower area should be clear of shampoo and conditioner bottles. Put all that stuff under the sink. Again, a few staging items like candles, a plant, decorative towels for pops of color, that's fine. We want the property to be bright as possible, so make sure all light fixtures are working with no burnt out bulbs, and change out the light bulbs for daylight bulbs. Lighting is everything when it comes to photography and home showing, so daylight bulbs help show the home in the brightest possible way, and the photos appear bright and beautiful. That's what we're going for. Last, the air conditioning closet. Buyers and their agent will look in here to look at the age of the AC. So make sure the filter is clean and vacuum the dust balls that accumulate on the unit and on the closet door, especially if you have one of those doors with slats. I hope this helps you as you prepare to stage your home to sell and get it ready for showings. You can do all this yourself, or you can hire us as your realtors, and we can help you with it. If you have any questions for us, comment below or contact us directly. And if you found this information in the video helpful, please tap on the like button below. And also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to view more videos just like this. Have an awesome day, and thanks again for watching.